Hello everybody out there, this is Vagabond Zero, and today, as you can see right here, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Tales of Symphonia Chronicles Collector's Edition. Now, I got this from Amazon, so I got this today, and I know there was a lot of kind of a hassle with orders because of the very kind of big demand of this collector's edition. So they pretty much sent it out. It said sent it out yesterday, which was the 27th, and I got it today, the 28th. And yeah, so you can see right here. Here's a nice front picture of the box. Nice view of the side right here. And of course the back. Now if you haven't seen or probably not sure what it comes with, of course it comes with the this limited edition box right here. Steel book case. The game itself. These 4 figures. And a hardcover novel, and a art booklet with a DLC in the back that has a code to download a custom theme for your PS3, and a 4-disc original soundtrack. So yeah, I ordered this back in October, around the I think it's 17th or 18th. Now, of course, they said that they're going to make a limited number of these. So if you really wanted one, you have to pick it up. You have to pretty much get it from. You have to pretty much have pre-ordered it back in October from Amazon or from GameStop. And of course, the standard edition doesn't come with anything, just the game itself. So anyways, let's just take off this cover. Oh yeah, plus there's another picture right here from the other side. So anyways, let's take it out of this kind of plastic covering that it has. Now, of course, each one is numbered, since they said they were going to make a limited number of these. Mine is number 14,137, and of course, that's the sticker says 10th anniversary. So first up is let's check out the quickly the novel right here. As you can see, of course, this tells Symphonia the successors of Hope. It's nice cover art. It has a jacket on it, and of course, says 10th anniversary. And of course, the inside of the cover on the book, it's the same. Oops. And of course, like I said, it's a novel. So there's that. I'll open the bigger box right here last. And of course, here's the soundtrack. Tales of Symphonia Chronicles, Collector's Edition soundtrack. Of course, like I said, it comes with 4 discs. So yeah, oh no, yeah, plus another thing, I did already open this, because I just want to check out all the content of this stuff, just to be sure. That's why you don't see a shrink wrap on this thing. And of course, here's the steel book. Nice, very nice art in the front. And in the back, kind of has kind of a chibi, or SD version of the characters. And of course, this has a 10th anniversary logo right there. Of course, there's the slot for the manual. Nice picture right there. Also another nice picture right there. And next up is the game itself. And I guess this is what the retail version will look like. Like it says right here, it says it includes both games, Tales of Symphonia plus the other one called Dawn of the New World. And of course, hard drive space. It says like 2,516 megabytes. HD output is 720, of course. There's the game. There's a manual, and plus the manual itself is pretty thick. I mean, look at that. Oh yeah, plus I never played Tales of Symphonia because I never was huge on RPGs. I know this is more of an action RPG, but years later, after it came out, I heard about it. I always heard about it, and I always wanted to play it. But of course, I heard that the GameCube, the one on the GameCube was kind of either I think hard to come by or kind of pricey. Oh yeah, plus let me just also show you the reverse cover. You can see right there. Very nice reverse cover. And of course, here's the art of Tales of Symphonia Chronicles. It's not a very thick book, as you can see right there. But still, it's pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy that they actually released this on the PS3, because I never got like I said, I never got a chance to actually play this. And I always heard about how great it was and everything. And some cover art right here. More cover art. And of course, it comes with the DLC for the custom theme for PS3. Of course, I'm gonna use it at once. And last but not least is the figurines. You can see right there. Of course, if you bought the Tales of Xillia, the collector's edition came with the what's her name? I forgot her name. The you got a figure kind of a what is it? A 1/8 scale or 1/10 scale figure of her, which is pretty neat. I still have it in the box. They haven't displayed it. Once I get more shelf space, I can display it. Anyways, here are the 4 figures. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually cut away at the video and cut the video and plus put these together and show you what they look like. So I am back with the after completing putting together the what they call the chibi characters, the little figures. And like I said, they come with 4 of them. So as you can see right here, forgive me if I don't remember their names. I'm pretty much blanking on them. So I know that he's the main character from the first one. Very nicely detailed and everything. And of course, here's this one. I think she's from the second game. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. Of course, she comes with the I guess her partner or cat or whatever. See right there, nice detail and everything even on the outfit. And of course, each one comes with their own little kind of stick to kind of hold them in place. And here's the cat. Now there is one problem with this one, is that they should have made a peg for this one as for the cat as well, because the cat's pretty top heavy. I mean, the head is pretty huge, and so because of that, it's pretty heavy. So it can't really sit down so well. Can't just sit there perfectly still, as you can see. It always falls over. I mean, you can get it right sometimes, but other times it will fall over pretty easily. So the best bet is like kind of lean the I guess the ear against her, like that. That's the only problem I have with that, is that they should have made a little peg right here, so I can put it right here. Probably you can what you can do is get what they call sticky tack, kind of like this sticky clay. And it comes off. It doesn't rinse much. Doesn't really discolor anything, I think. So you can put a little piece of it down here and just stick the cat right here. And of course, here's the other one. And as you can see right there, it keeps on constantly falling off. So the next one, very nice figure, very nice detail. And like I said, each one comes with a little stick on from the for the stand, so they don't fall over or anything. And of course, the last one, which I do know this is actually the main character from the second game. I like how they made out the eyes. It looks really does look like animated eyes. And the coloring on the outfit, separation very nice. There really isn't barely any smudging on it. And of course, right there, in the back, you can see the sheath for the sword, and I guess a little water canteen right there. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing of this Tales of Symphonia Chronicles Collector's Edition. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed looking at this, and I hope if you wanted one, you're able to pick up one up. And if not, I guess I bet wish you the best of luck actually getting one at a good deal. Because like many out there, these days, there's always those scalpers who always buy up like 20 or 30 of them, which is kind of screwed up. Because I think like any site or store should only limit one per customer. But they don't do that. They just let them buy them out. So yeah. So again, hope you enjoy the unboxing of this game, Collector's Edition. And I guess I'll catch you guys later and keep on collecting those Collector's Editions. So later.